In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by viewers. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with if you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking and more details, check description. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel, please